is dedicated to the development of Filipino youth as a leader. It aims to graduate dynamic students who are physically, emotionally, mentally, and spiritually committed to the achievement of the highest quality of life.
May gagawin ako.
So aside from educating us as students, we should know how to become sports in all aspects of life. Because sportsmanship makes us to be a true person, to abide rules, and respect other people. Sportsmanship can lead us to become successful in our life because we know how to accept things even if it's good or bad. And in spite of those bad and good things, we can make them to reach more and strive harder for our goals. Thank you.